When heart enters into the state of expansion, it starts receiving the news of divinity, becomes qalb khabir, and this qalb khabir is qalb arif. This is qalb arif. When it becomes khabir, it gets the news, becomes knowledge, gets the wisdom, proper understanding, deep understanding of divinity and Almighty Allah and His secrets. Then this qalb, because of this knowledge of divinity, starts inabat, and qalb becomes qalb munib. Becomes qalb munib. This is contrite heart. Then heart is further upgraded. When it is upgraded, it becomes qalb salim. This is sound heart. Sound heart. When it is further upgraded, it becomes qalb shaheed. This is the witnessing heart. Then the curtains are unveiled and he receives the mushahada. This is the witnessing heart. He enters into the stage of mushahada. As nafs was upgraded and starting from Makkara and Ammara, entered into the valley of Radiya, Mardiya, Kamila and Mukarraba. Those valleys, in the same way, heart which used to be mayyat, ghafir, when left that state, and by stage advancement finally achieved the stage of mushahada. He starts witnessing the beauty of Lord, the beauty of Almighty Allah. In the same way, the final and last advancement takes place in the Sultan, the king. Now Almighty Allah blesses, becomes pleased with the king, his deputy, and says, congratulations, you have won the battle. The king has won the battle. Nafs is under the king. Heart is under the king. Now there is complete consonance. Now there is complete peace, complete harmony. And whole atmosphere has become harmonious atmosphere, a spiritual atmosphere, a lightful atmosphere. And this human body, the Nasuti, Al-Jismun Nasuti has become Al-Malakut.